Show starts in about 4 minutes. Show starts in about 4 minutes.
My name is Maui. Natives call me the Mighty One. I tamed the playful sun and gave my people time. Now they set their clocks by mine, for I am Tropic Standard Time.
Aloha, wahine me kioni mana. I am Koro, midnight dancer. Today my magic feet no move. My head sore, but last night, all Tiki gods have big time. Sam luau. When drums begin to pound, my head full, big sound. Me, Rongo, god of agriculture. My land so good to me, I got time for sport. I fly kite, me #1 kite flyer. Too bad, I don't have key. Then me, I find electricity.
I am Pele, goddess of fire and volcanoes. Some say I torment Purnagendi, the earth balancer. For when my violent temper rises, the earth trembles on its foundation.
Legends say I'm balancing the earth, but sad to say, I'm just hanging on.
I'm the one who's really sad. When I smile, it comes out mad.
They call me Tangaroa-Roo, the East Wind.
And I am Hina, goddess of rain.
We often travel together, wind and rain, through tropic lands across the 7 seas.
Come closer, so that you may see what magic there is in fantasy.
I am Tangaroa, father of all gods and goddesses. Here in this land of enchantment, I appear before you as a mighty tree. Stand back! O mystic powers, hear my call. From my limbs, let new life fall.
Wahine me kioni mana, ladies and gentlemen, come with us to a world of joyous songs and wondrous miracles. Walt Disney's Enchanted Tiki Room.
Aloha! Aloha! Let's try that all together. Aloha! Aloha! Much better. Aloha, friends. Welcome to Walt Disney's Enchanted Tiki Room, presented by your friends at Dole. Few friendly remarks before we get started. There is no smoking, flash photography, or video lighting in our theater, and please silence those cell phones. Now, if you brought any Enchanted Tiki treats with you are free to enjoy them throughout the show. Just make sure all the Enchanted Tiki trash leaves with you as you exit. Speaking of, if you need to leave at any point during our show, that door right across from where you came in, that one over there, the open one, that's our exit door. It'll be closed during our performance, but give it a gentle nudge and you'll be free as a bird. Now, without further ado, enjoy the show.
All right, everyone, I'm going to need your help in waking up Jose. So on the count of 3, we're going to say, wake up, Jose. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wake up, Jose!
Oh, buenos dias, senorita. My siestas are getting shorter and shorter. Oh, look at all the people. Welcome to Walt Disney's Enchanted Tiki Room. Hey, Michael, mi amigo, pay attention, it's showtime.
So it is. And what darling people I have sitting under me. Pierre, you rascal, you. Let's put on the show.
Mon ami, I am always ready, as you say, to put on the show. Oh, pardon, madame. That whistle was for my good friend, Fritz.
Ach, du Lieber, I almost fell out of my upper perch. Glad to see you all aboard. Sure, or wherever you are. My goodness, you're all staring at us. We better start the show rolling.
Wait. We forgot to wake up the Glee Club.
In the tiki, 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 tiki room. In the tiki, 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 tiki room. All the birds sing words
And the flowers grow.
In the tiki, 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 tiki room. Welcome to our tropical hideaway. You lucky people, you. If we were in the show starting right away, we'd be the audience too. All together in the tiki, 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 tiki room. In the tiki, 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 tiki room. All the birds sing words
And the flowers grow.
in the tiki, 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 tiki room.
I sing so beautiful, I should sing solo.
See, so low we can't hear you.
My voice may not be so marvelous, but my profile is out of this world.
Jawohl, but the trouble is not far enough out of this world. It's not right here, Schmidt. I see, Schmidt has no hair.
Mio Vigo, stop the clucking. You sound like a bunch of old hens. There's a lot of birds waiting to go on. For instance,
The boys in the back are called because.
because of their claws.
No, because they're macaws, and a fine feathered friend is a jolly toucan, and toucan sounds better than one toucan can.
The bird of paradise is an elegant bird. It likes to be seen and it loves to be heard. Most little birdies will fly away, but the tiki room birds are here every day. In the tiki, 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 tiki room. In the tiki, 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 tiki room. All the birds sing words
And the flowers grow.
in the tiki, 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 tiki room. Our magnificent production is yet to come. Shows from the guitar and beating drum. We've been a hit and we know you adore us, so come on and join us in another chorus. In the tiki, 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 tiki room. In the tiki, 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 tiki room. All the birds sing words and the flowers grow. In the tiki, 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 tiki room. Let's give the little birdies a great big hand.
Applaud, applaud!
You down there, with both hands.
And now, senors and senoritas, please place your eyes into the center of the room, that is. We present the Enchanted Fountain.
And the boy with our bird boy. Which has birds. It goes round and round. That's like a photo.
Look, here come the girls.
Mesdames and messieurs, introducing the lovely ladies of the ensemble. Just like the fully bergère with only feathers, there's Colette. Hello, Kelly. Suzette. Hello, Mimi. Gigi. Fifi. So Fifi.
down here. All together now. Let's all sing like the birdies sing.
Let's all sing like the birdies sing.
Tweet, 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 tweet.
Tweet, 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 tweet.
Let's all sing like the birdies sing.
Let's all sing like the birdies sing.
Sweet, 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 sweet.
Sweet, 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 sweet.
Let's all warble like nightingale.
Let's all warble like nightingale.
Dig it through a tree. Take your time from the birds. Everybody whistle.
That was magnifique.
See, no one laid an egg but me.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, we have something really big for you.
The birds stand still and the Tiki Room flies high.
Mon ami, quit talking while I'm interrupting. Ladies and gentlemen, now we present direct from the islands a musical luau.
Be careful, me fine friends. The gods have been angered by all the celebrating. But, me buckos, every cloud has a silver lining.
Monsieur and Madame, it's time to say adieu. But we hope you will always remember the amazing things which happened here in Walt Disney's Enchanted Tiki Room.
The birdies got their wings. You heard the flowers sing. Tiki's play the drums. Hear them do the chant.
Stand up on your feet. Ole!
And now, as long as you're all standing,
we have a wonderful magic trick for you.
Yeah, a wonderful trick. Everybody, face the door. Or the trick is, we're gonna make you all disappear.